All right, so dig me. I got this in the mail the other day, and I'm going to put this in the Diegocaster. It currently has a Cavalier Nashville Lion in it, which is kind of a broadcaster-ish pickup, A5 magnets. I don't know what the DCR on it is, but and this one is A3 magnets, and it's wound more like a no-caster pickup. It's actually a little bit lower wind, about 200 less winds than Rob's no-caster Lion, but it's the same wire gauge that he uses for the no-caster. So if you know Rob's pickups from Cavalier, he has a 5152, which uses 42 gauge wire, 9,500 turns, and then he has the no-caster, which uses the smaller 43 gauge wire at 9,700 turns. And this is a bootstrap custom pickup that has 9,500 turns of 43 gauge wire. So it's probably going to fall somewhere in between those two Cavaliers. I'm kind of curious how it's going to sound, and I'm pretty excited. So what I'm going to do, without too much of a lengthy introduction, a lot of geeky technobabble, I'm just going to play some simple stuff on the bridge pickup of the Diegocaster, as well as a little bit of stuff on just the notch positions, the parallel and series positions, so you can hear how the Nashville Lion pairs with the Fat Lion King neck pickup. And then I'm going to put this baby in, and we're going to see how it pairs with the Fat Lion King neck pickup. So we'll have kind of a hybrid bootstrap Cavalier configuration under the hood when I'm done, but I'm really excited about that. I don't really have any major complaints about the Nashville Lion. I just kind of wanted to try something different, something with a little bit softer, maybe a little more syrupy kind of attack that's typical of the A3 magnets. And I could have bought one from Rob, but I bought one from Ryan instead. They're both great guys. They both wind great pickups, and they're both ridiculously reasonable in their price structure for the quality that they offer. So I can't recommend either of them or their companies enough. Without further ado, let's get on with the demo, and then we'll get this in, see how it sounds. All right, there you go. So, not a bad sounding pickup at all. I've had this pickup for, it used to be in the Granville. I've had it for 4 or 5 years now. I ended up selling the Lion King neck pickup and that used to be in with it, and the Fat Lion bridge pickup that used to be in here. I'm putting them together, and they pair okay. I felt like the Fat Lion bridge was a better match for this because it had a little bit more mid-range. And when paired together with the neck, it kind of gave more of a P90 type sound than this does. So I'll be really interested to see how the A3 model, the custom A3, sounds in here with this neck pickup. I'm hoping that it'll be a good match that not only gives me a nice twangy country sound, kind of a syrupy country twang, but also has enough fatness and warmth that it makes it for a nice pairing for jazz in the notch positions. So anyway, I'll be back shortly with another video. Just like my other ones, you guys can open them both in separate tabs, make your comparison, hear how they sound similar and different, and go from there.